is the last hard section. Whew. When you start rolling back, try to use your clutch and throttle as a brake to go forward. Like, keep your clutch in the friction zone so it won't roll back. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. It's easy for me to say that, but I'm just learning that technique. I just learned it from Rich Larson. Going up steep stuff and keeping your bike in the friction zone so you don't roll backwards, because the front brake doesn't do anything at that point. We're almost home free, huh? I think this is the, if I remember right, we have one tough section and then it's fairly easy.
Yeah.
I'm hoping that's it.